5G vs 4G, sorting fact from fiction.
Are you confused about what really separates 5G from 4G? Many claims float around about speed, coverage, and device performance. In this video, we'll tackle the most common myths about 5G and 4G so you can understand what matters for your everyday phone use and avoid falling for hype.
Myth: 5G is always much faster than 4G.
It's widely believed that 5G always offers blazing fast speeds. While 5G can be much faster in ideal conditions, real-world results depend on factors like network congestion, location, and your phone. In many areas, 5G speed improvements over advanced 4G LTE are modest, especially where only low-band 5G is available.
Myth: 5G has better coverage everywhere.
Another common belief is that 5G signals cover more ground than 4G. In reality, 5G coverage can be spottier, especially at launch. High-frequency 5G bands actually travel shorter distances and struggle indoors, while lower-band 5G has wider reach but offers less dramatic speed gains. 4G networks currently provide broader, more consistent coverage in most areas.
Myth: 5G will instantly replace 4G.
Some think upgrading to 5G means 4G will soon disappear. However, 4G is still essential for voice, texting, and data in many locations. Most current devices, even 5G models, switch between networks based on signal strength. 4G will remain in use for years, serving as the backbone while 5G grows.
Myth: 5G uses more data than 4G.
Is 5G automatically more data hungry? Not exactly. 5G doesn't consume more data simply by connecting. However, faster download and streaming possibilities may encourage heavier usage, leading to higher data consumption if you're not careful. Watching videos in higher resolution, for example, will use more data regardless of network type.
What really matters for users?
Most people, the differences between 4G and 5G are real, but more nuanced than headlines suggest. While 5G promises future benefits, like faster downloads and lower delay, it depends on your location and device. For now, both 4G and 5G networks can deliver dependable performance for typical use. Understanding these myths helps you set realistic expectations.